In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete your account bio history on Instagram. Your bio history includes all the previous bios you have used on your Instagram profile. Sometimes, you may want to clear this history for privacy or personal reasons. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Your Activity. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see a section called How You Use Instagram, and in that section, you'll see an option called Account History. Now, at the very top, you'll see these different options. Just tap where it says Update Type, and then tap Bio. Tap on the Apply button. Now you'll be able to see your bio history. What you want to do next is tap Clear All to delete your account bio history on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.